Good morning. I just woke up and I'm going to put myself together before I leave the house, and I'm gonna show you my DIY very easy to make face mask that only has 2 ingredients, and it really brightens your skin, and it's full of antioxidants as well. I just took a tablespoon of matcha powder, as you can see, and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I would say another maybe tablespoon of honey, and you mix it really well into a paste and it's ready. And if it's not sort of spreadable enough, you can always add honey or even a little bit of water, or if you have more of acne prone skin, you can add apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna add a little bit of more honey because my skin is dry right now, and honey really helps with hydration of the skin. Sorry, disregard the mess in the background. I'm going through closet clean out. So when the paste is ready, you can just apply it with a brush. And the good part is, if you have leftovers, matcha and honey, it's very shelf stable, so you can use it for a couple more weeks and it's still going to be great and fresh. The mask is ready. Never forget your neck and leave it for about 15-20 minutes, or of course if it gets uncomfortable or something starts to like itch, which some people have allergies to honey, so make sure you don't have allergies to honey. My mom has actually like a really crazy honey allergy. I don't, fortunately, because I love honey. So, and then wash it off with a warm cloth in about 15-20 minutes, and you're good to go. Your skin will look so nice and bright. I love this mask. It's easy to do and it really does the job. See you soon, guys. Bye.